Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Junior Jake here. I got Joy-Cons. I got my Joy-Cons fixed from Nintendo. As you can see, they look nice. And I'm gonna prove it to you by showing you some great gameplay. They used to disconnect and reconnect. Don't mind this. Don't. My Joy-Cons are fixed. I'm happy. Nintendo fixed them. We just sent them to a repair place and area. They'll send it to you. They'll get it fixed. So, yeah, I've been working on this. Hold on, how do you play this again? I played this game. It's just that I forgot how to play it. Oh wait, hold on. I really forgot how to play the game. Oh, this is gonna be weird. Well, it does work. As you can see, Joy-Cons fixed. There's no disconnect. There's nothing disconnecting. Yeah. Once I figure out how to really play the game, then I could show you. But right now, I'm just in the most confusion. Oh, okay. Yes, that works. Okay. I'm not trying to make this gameplay long. Wait. I need a pickaxe. This is basically Minecraft, but different. Well, that's all I really wanted to show you guys. That's gonna be all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. I will give you an update if my Joy-Cons survive. And scene.